Okay, final setup details here. As the site is kind of a disaster area here, kind of messy. So first thing, we hopefully are finished with the ladders, so I'll get rid of those. I don't put them too far away in case I need them for an emergency, but we can just put them on a stack here at the back and get the other one. These clamps may come in handy during operation, so what I've done is I've kind of created a utility rack. I put it on this side, but you can add one on the other side. It mounted to the A-frame here. This is kind of useful place to store small items. Bigger items can be stowed underneath, obviously. Yeah, okay, what else? Well, still a piece of cardboard up here. So that's basically, well, yeah, I need to clean up this stuff. Oh yeah, the other ladder has to come down out of the way, and I will stow the PVC pole also. Okay. I just set the stand over there. What else? PVC pole. So technically, at this point, we're ready for operations. Just a couple of final touches here. I put out a. This thing is just sitting on a 4x8 sheet of chipboard, just to keep the ground somewhat level. I put an extra piece out in front, and then I put a ladder in front for the kids to climb up. They will climb up the front and into the front like that. And for counterbalance, you see, I guess I can also remove actually, so these this caution barrier, I'll put it over on the side where the kids meet, over on this side. So what I'll do is I'll put this over here. Sorry, it's a two-handed job. Okay. Okay, it just provides a little bit extra safety room. Okay, so I like to preload for, it's hard, well, it's impossible to guess the weight of the kids that will be showing up unless you have just like one class or something like that, or one specific age group. We have K through 6th grade, so there's quite a variety of weights. So what I'd like to do is preload to kind of a medium weight. So I'll put 10 or 15 bricks in there, which is good for the smaller kids, and then I have some bundles of bricks that I can quickly load for heavier kids if needed. And I have this currently figured out for my own self. So like if I want to go up in it, I'm going to use all those bricks. So but I do have extras on here in case someone heavier than me wants to go up, which hasn't happened so far. So anyway, let me see if I can get this. This is a pretty simple process, but let's see if I can get it on the video. Sorry. I guess I'll just do it one-handed. Okay, so basically just grab a brick and pile it in there. It's kind of like a bookshelf for bricks. That's how it ended up. And so this pivots. So, actually, Okay, so as you can see, as the balloon goes up and the weights come down, this thing pivots there. Actually, I need to put the safety latches in before I put any more weight on there. Otherwise, it will go ahead and float up. So I have the safety latches should really be on most of the time. Okay, so there. That will prevent it from going up. I actually have one on each side. These are rated for like 150 pounds each. But I have two of them just for safety, for redundancy, I guess. Plus it balances the stress. Okay. So, so let me preload this and then we will be finished with setup. This brick bookcase, whatever you want to call it, counterweight shelf is will hold 10 across, which makes it easy to quickly count. So 10, maybe I'll put a couple more. Okay, that's good for kind of a small to mid-size kids. And then I have those bundles that can be loaded quickly for other kids. What else? I think that's it for now. I will show another one about the actual operation and tear down later. Thank you.